Finally, let's make sure the cat factory runs on Windows. And this is going to give me a chance to show you one more cool little feature of PyCharm, because this is not going to work. So I tried to run my app and it said, oh, no module named requests. Of course, that should be a clue to you guys that, hey, maybe this system doesn't have requests installed. So we need to go out to the shell or out to the console and say pip install requests, that sort of thing. Now, you've seen when we were using requests, but we didn't import at the top, PyCharm would say, hey, we'll write the import statement for you at the top. But this is cool too. It says, hey, you're trying to use requests. We know that this is a module from PyPI, from the Python package index, and you don't have it installed in your currently selected interpreter. But guess what? We'd be happy to do that for you. So you can see down here, installing packages request. Hold on. Done. So if we try to run this on Windows, you'll see that there's a small problem. It's pretty easily fixed, but it's not entirely obvious why. So it says it cannot find the specified file. That's weird. And it's talking about start, actually. We have two ways to fix this. We could say shell equals true, because apparently the start is just a shell command. Or we could be just more explicit about what we want to start, and we could say we'd like to start Explorer. Let's just go with that to be consistent. Beautiful. Here are our lolcats, the ones that you guys are now familiar with and love. So we've been able to use the platform.system to figure out the right command for each operating system. And we've used xdg open for Linux, Explorer for Windows, and open for OS X. It's not the cleanest way to work in the world, but when you're doing this cross-platform stuff, sometimes you just got to put an if statement somewhere. But it does let us write apps that run everywhere, and that's pretty cool. Let's do a quick review before we move on. So we started out printing the header. This, you guys have it down cold. And then we worked with OSPath to check for and create our output folder. Then we downloaded the cats. If we go down here, remember we did a for in loop over the range of 1 to 8. So that let us create our 8 cats. And then we just called into our catservice.getCat module, which we wrote over here. We can check that out. And we just went and downloaded the data using requests, made sure to set stream equals true, return the raw response, and then use the shell util copy file object to write from one stream to the other stream. Then finally, we displayed the cats using the subprocess module and various operating system dependent apps that know how to somewhat display pictures to the user. Now we have our very own working lolcat factory.